Nakausap niyo na ba itong si Patrolman Fontillas? Nakikipag-cooperate ba siya dyan sa investigation?
Hindi siya nakipag-usap. Sinubukan siyang kausapin ng kung sino-sino sa Quezon City Police District. Hindi siya nakipag-usap. I actually saw the text messages of Fontillas before he went on AWOL at talagang naghahamon siya. Nung di na siya, nagbigay pa siya ng deadline. Sabi niya, I will block all of you by 3 p.m. May mga ganun pa siya.
Address to who? Sinong kausap niya?
Yung parang, what do you call this? DTMU, yung mga bossing sa kanyang opisina. Yun yung...
Okay.
So yung mga hinahamon niya yung mga boss niya, pinapareport siya. Sabi niya, ba't ako magre-report? Kumakain pa ako. Tapos ko kumain, saka ako magre-report sa inyo. At talagang kakausapin ko kayo dahil magre-resign ako. Ganun ang mga text niya. So natatawa na lang ako na it translated to seditious comments online. So both offline, through text messages, and in his social media pages, medyo tactless yung kanyang mga comments, if I may say.
Hindi siya apologetic, and parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanyang paghahamon sa kanyang mga social media posts, no? Tama ba?
He's not apologetic at all. Pero Christian, siguro in as much as I don't want to dwell on it, mukhang kailangan din i-bring up Kasi single-handedly nasisira yung reputasyon o tinatamaan yung reputasyon ng Philippine National Police by a single individual. Pero yung that single individual who is a patrolman seems to be not mentally fit. Apparently, as early as 2023, sometime June or July, na-diagnose na siya ng some mental condition and he apparently was taking medications for it. Tinanggalan na rin siya ng barel as early as July and he was deemed not fit to continue. Pero sometime October 2023, after many sessions with the medical profession, with the medical staff, he was declared fit to return to the service at tuloy-tuloy nga lang. Then here comes another incident with his colleagues, with his boss, na sumulat uli dun sa health service ng February 2024 na mukhang may red flags. There is some kind of erratic behavior, quote-unquote, dun kay Fontillas. Kaya baka maaring silipin nyo naman to uli, health service ng QC. And si health service naman ng QC, on February 11, wrote the regional office of the NCRPO asking for a full medical examination of Fontillas na hindi naman sumipot. And here we are right now. Nagkaroon ng trigger, which is the arrest of a former president. Tapos kung ano nang sinasabi niya at pinopost niya. So I think it's also unfair, quite honestly, for the PNP to be judged by the act of a single policeman who is not mentally fit currently or even mentally fit, period. So baka dapat we also look at it in that lens. Nag-warning na ang QCPD, nag-warning na tayo 2 months ago na bawal ang political content sa social media. Kinasuhan na siya ng QCPD, pinamoto proprio na natin at tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya. Parang either wala siyang takot or di siya nakapag-isip.
Ano yung pwedeng gawin ng NAVOLCOM dito sa isang side pa ng issue na ito? The fact na yung mga post nitong si Patrolman Fontillas making the rounds of chat boxes, diba? Tsaka rin sa mga pages ng mga DDS at nagagamit ito to fuel even more hate against the sitting president and to defend the former president who is now at the ICC. Meaning na-exploit, nagagamit ito bilang fodder, FODDER, o bala laban sa presidente. Paano yun?
Yes, I'm bothered with his post being exploited by certain political groups. I am very happy that the QCPD has reached out to Meta for these posts to be taken down. But alam naman natin, Christian, pag lumabas na yan sa social media o nasa internet, forever na nasa internet yan So napakahirap na rin tanggalin. The original post may have been taken down or may be taken down, but manganganak at manganganak yan ng numerous accounts. So I don't know. It has taken a life of its own. I'm just hoping that the Filipino people can be more discerning. Gaya mo, nandiyan ka, pwede mo explain na hindi naman ganito kasimple at hindi naman normal ang pag-iisip nitong taong ito at mukhang may konting footnote na not mentally stable. Undergoing medical treatment. Dapat may ganung footnote to, Christian.